Who is looking forward to a great investment opportunity in Fiji? Come with me and take a look. You have to see this. We are at the Terraces Apartments. This is directly in front of the Denarau golf course straight ahead of us. This is a ground level, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished, turnkey property. Great thing about this is something that you can live in full-time, or you can rent to family and friends, short-term, long-term, and it's got all the amenities that you can fathom, and it's literally next to the crown jewel, steps away from Port Denarau Marina, fishing charters, sunset cruises, surf trips, restaurants, shopping, resort hotels. Everything is really, really close by, and I'm talking steps away. If you are looking for an opportunity where you can get out of where you are now, live the Fiji life, and just have a really nice turnkey property that's you're not having to build, no architects, no designers, don't have to wait. This is really turnkey and ready to go for you. And as you can see, we're looking right now at one of the holes on the Denarau golf course. The Denarau Golf and Racquet Club, very close by. This unit has other common amenities. The pool, which is just in front of you there, swimming pool area, covered patio with ceiling fans. All the rooms have air conditioners. This is a really, really great place. And I've actually stayed here myself. I can assure you this is a great opportunity to be in the heart of everything, and everything is just done for you and done well here. So go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. But again, there are only 15 of these available. They rarely come on the market. There are a total of 45 units, and of the 45, 15 are owner occupied, and the rest of the 30 are in the rental pool. And these have various rental rates. But again, the great thing about this particular unit, it's ground level, so you don't have to worry about steps, especially if you're elderly or if you have kids or any disabilities. This is a very well sought after unit, and you can see tiled, covered, greenery right in front of you, all that tropical landscaping, flowers, just spectacular. You can see the mountain views in the background, all the waterway, swimming pool. Beautiful, beautiful place. We look forward to hearing from you soon. This is definitely not going to last. Give us a call, +679 999 2051 to learn more about the pricing and set up a private tour of this spectacular opportunity at the Terraces in Denarau. Vanaka.